Have you ever noticed how all those wonderful stress management skills and information that you've taken the time to learn seems to just not be available when you need it most? It seems like there's something about being in the middle of a stress trance that just blocks our access to all those skills and all that knowledge that we've acquired. Recent functional MRI studies have shown that the part of our brain we use to solve problems, put things in perspective, and cope with difficult situations tends to shut down while we're experiencing stress. Essentially, stress tends to hijack our attention. Without a fully functioning prefrontal cortex, we're unable to consciously manage our attention in such a way that we can organize our efforts to manage stress well. Is there a way to prevent our prefrontal cortex from shutting down? Research on mindfulness meditation using brain imaging technology has shown that the prefrontal cortex can be activated by intentional mindfulness practice. Fortunately, mindfulness can be learned. Let's start with some mindful breathing. As you notice your experiences of breathing in, silently say to yourself, breathing in, I'm aware of breathing in. And as you pay attention to your next out-breath, silently say to yourself, breathing out, I'm aware of breathing out. As you continue this practice, notice all the details of what you can see and hear and smell around you, and the sensations you can feel on the surface of your skin. And while continuing to breathe mindfully, notice as many inner experiences as possible. Sensations, images, feelings, and thoughts. Mindfulness practice involves focusing on a wide array of inner and outer experiences in the present moment without judgment. This practice will allow you to keep your prefrontal cortex operational. Here are some additional resources to help you develop your mindfulness skills. There's a short YouTube video you could watch here entitled Stop, a Short Mindfulness Practice. A couple of books that you might like to read. And at the bottom here, you can download a mindfulness clock onto your PC and set it to chime every so often just to remind you to stop and use your mindfulness skills. After viewing this video and practicing, looking at some of the additional resources, I think you're going to find that you're really more effective at managing your attention and your stress. If you're interested in some additional workshops or classes, please check back on the EAW website. We'll be having a class in mindfulness meditation soon, some other attention management workshops, and other topics that you might find interesting. When you take time to enhance your own well-being, oftentimes you'll find you have a lot more to offer others as well. Thanks for taking time to do that today.